Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this demo of Cinch Tweet. This software automates a number of the features within Twitter. It allows you to be able to build your following, find and repost content, or even schedule future tweets from here. It's perfect for being able to build up your profile, build your following, and also deliver them content on autopilot. So let's take a look. So firstly, I'm just going to click on my profile here, and this opens up the following and follower statistics, so we can see who we're following, also how many followers we have. So what I can do is I can enable auto following, I can enable auto liking and auto unfollowing. So this will automatically unfollowing people after we have followed them and started to build our profile. We can choose the activity speed, slow, medium, fast, depends how quickly you want to build it up, and also you can set the unfollow duration to unfollow people within a certain time frame, so a week. It does have nice little boxes where you can specify minimums. Okay, so if someone at least has 50 followers, then it'll follow people with at least 50 followers. You can keep this at 0 to try and capture everyone, or you can, if you're wanting to get like authority, but people with a bit more authority, you could say 300 or whatever. However, I would recommend probably keeping this at 0 because a lot of up and coming people will probably follow you and notice the fact that you're following them. Max followers, with the max followers, you can max it out at whatever you want. However, people with over 1,000 followers probably aren't going to take much notice of you following them and try and follow back and things like that as well. It also allows you to set your settings, because what it does is you can retweet on autopilot as well. So if content within your niche, and we'll talk about how to target it in a second, has over 50 retweets, it'll automatically retweet it. And then if it has more than 200, it won't bother, because it might just be a real mainstream sort of a one. So once you've done this, you can update it and go from there. Also, with this, you can target accounts, so you could go search user based on different, based on specific users if you have them, or you can go suggest me. So I'm going to click on suggest me, suggested slug, so we can have a whole bunch of different stuff here. So we can just go sports. And let's just say, we want to target basketball people for basketball related stuff, or NASCAR or wrestling. You can find these targets and just target them right from within here. So let's just go NBA. We can add as many of these as we want, and then we just simply update this. So I'm going to update the user configuration here. Cool, so that is all set up. This is for the auto following, auto like, so it's going to auto follow and auto like and then unfollow people relating to the NBA based on what I did there. Now from here we can set up other automation things as well, like auto reply to new followers. So you can send them a greeting message after they follow you, just to say hi, introduce yourself, that sort of personal stuff too. Now if we go over to posts, we can create posts and have them go out automatically. So what we could do is we could just fill in this content. We can add images if we want as well to make it an image one, and schedule it later as well. So we can queue up content so it goes out on complete autopilot. We could queue up a week's worth of content if we wanted to as well. Also within this, you get activity, likes and retweets and follows, so you can see what sort of activity your account's been doing, and also who's following you as a result of this. So it is quite a nice, easy to use software to allow you to be able to build up your following and be able to post content on autopilot to Twitter. It's basically a Twitter automation tool, very, very simple to use. So check it out in detail down below on the bonus page for a full feature list. Get in during the early bird to get it at the best price possible, and get automating those tweets today with Cinch Tweet.